Hi everybody, I'm Walt Lewis, and you're watching another episode of Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. Today we're going to talk about overcoming problem with broken sprinkler heads. Now most of us have dealt with regular sprinkler heads that have discharged and able to shut them down either at the isolation valve or by using sprinkler wedges, tongs, or commercially made devices to shut them down and isolate the water. But in this case, the sprinkler head was damaged by either a forklift or the shutoff attempt of isolating the sprinkler head. Of course, we'd like to use the sprinkler valve to shut down the water supply, but in the case of where we can't find it, or it's extensive and it's going to flow a lot of water until that water is out of the system, we want to be able to overcome the problem. We'd want to be able to employ a waste basket to catch some of the water that's going to come out once we remove the sprinkler head, but some simple tools we can create from a do-it-yourself center is a simple gate valve and an extension piece for a 3/4 pipe. Prefer to use plastic so it'll always seat in the metal piping that you're going to encounter. Other tools you want to use are vice grips and eye protection. The eye protection, if nothing else, just to avoid the distraction for the water spraying in your face when you're doing this. We'll bring in Firefighter O'Connell, and he's going to do this as I talk us through it. With the sprinkler head being damaged, we can't put in a wedge or any other closing device, so we'll have to remove the sprinkler head itself. Using chain lock pliers allows us to keep a positive contact on the sprinkler head at all times. Here's where we want to put a waste basket or a trash can underneath it to catch the falling water. Now the simple threaded pipe to go into place, catch the water as it's flowing. You won't meet any resistance because it's flowing through the pipe and it's simply shut off. Now that we've got it shut off, all we have to do is hook up a garden hose to it and put the water where we want it. Thanks, Jacob, for getting so wet for us. I'm Walt Lewis, and this is Fire Engineering's Training Minutes.